Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have three circles with radius 5 unit, and these three circles are touches each other. We have to find the area of this red region. Consider the center of this circle is this, and the center of this circle is this point, and the center of this circle is this point. Now join these 2 points. So joining these 2 points we will get this line, and join these 2 points. So we will get, now finally join these 2 points. As the radius of all circles are 5 unit, so this length, this is 5, and this is also 5. So the length of this triangle is 5 plus 5, 10 unit. Similarly, this is 5 and this is 5. This length is 5 and this length is 5. So the side length of this triangle is 10 unit, and as the three sides of this triangle are same, so all of the angles are equal, and the angles is 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree, and this is 60 degree. Now the red region is the area of this triangle and the area of this section and this section. So the area of red region is A. This area is equal to the area of this triangle. If the side length of this triangle is A unit, then applying formula, square root of 3 by 4 A square. This is the area of this triangle, and the area of this section is minus 60 degree this angle divided by 360 degree times pi and the radius of this circle, radius square. This is the area of this single section, and there are 3 symmetric sections, so this times 3. So this is the area of this red region. Now substituting all value, we can write square root of 3 over 4 times A. That means the side length of this triangle. The side length is 5 plus 5, this is 10. So here A is 10 and this square, minus this 60 degree and this 360 degree, we can write 6, and this 3 will cancel by 6 and it will be 2. So we can write this pi over 2 times r square. The radius is 5 unit, so 5 square is equal to this square root of 3 over 4 times 10 square, this is 100, minus this pi over 2 times 25, so 25 is equal to 100 divided by 4, this is 25. So here we will get this 25 times this square root of 3 minus this pi over 2 times this 25. Now taking common 25, we will get 25 times this square root of 3 minus this pi over 2, and the approximate value of this we will get 4.031 this square unit. So this is the area of this red region. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.